In today's video, we're going to answer the question, how to create a custom logo for ShopWired. If you're building your online store and need a custom logo, this is the perfect guide for you. But stick around till the end, because we'll also cover some alternatives that might suit your needs even better, and we have an exclusive extended free trial for one of them. Let's dive right in. Creating a custom logo for ShopWired is pretty simple, but there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to head to your ShopWired dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your design section, where you'll find a variety of customization options for your store's look and feel. This is where you can upload your logo or use their tools to create one. Now, the next thing is to think about what you want your logo to represent. A logo is the face of your business, so you need something that aligns with your brand's values and what you sell. You can choose to upload a pre-made logo or use ShopWired's built-in logo maker, which offers a range of customizable templates. While it's an easy option, keep in mind that many logos made with these templates can look generic, which might hurt your brand's uniqueness. The third thing to consider is size. When uploading your logo, make sure it's the right size for your site's header. ShopWired recommends a logo size of around 200 by 100 pixels. A logo that's too large might overpower your site, and one that's too small can get lost. Finding that sweet spot will ensure your logo is visible and sharp on both desktop and mobile. Next, you'll want to think about color. Make sure your logo fits your website's color scheme, keeping it consistent with your overall brand aesthetic. If you're using their logo maker tool, you'll have options to change colors and fonts to match your theme, but be cautious not to go overboard with too many contrasting colors, as it can make your brand look chaotic. Another thing to keep in mind is file format. When uploading your logo, ShopWired supports PNG, JPG, and SVG files. It's always best to upload an SVG if possible, because it ensures your logo stays sharp at any size, whether it's displayed on a large desktop screen or a small mobile phone. This will ensure your logo always looks professional. Now, the final thing to mention here is the importance of consistency across all your marketing materials. Once you've created your logo, make sure to use it consistently across your website, social media, and any promotional materials. This builds brand recognition and trust with your audience. But before you go and start designing, there are some alternatives that may actually work better for your needs. Let's be honest, while ShopWired offers a decent logo maker, the options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms. I've found that some alternatives, like Canva or Loga, provide far more flexibility and customization, especially if you want to create a completely unique logo from scratch. What's great is that we've partnered with these platforms to give you exclusive access to their extended free trials. These alternatives offer better customization tools, allowing you to create a more professional and personalized logo that truly represents your brand. To get the best deal, check out the link in the description below. By using our link, you'll gain access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your brand with a custom logo that stands out. So, whether you stick with ShopWired or explore these alternatives, remember that a custom logo is one of the most important investments in your brand's identity.